StarCraft fans, and welcome back to a packed arena of beautiful StarCraft nerds. Speaking of beautiful StarCraft nerds, what's up? I am Maynard, with me is Rotterdam, and we're about to go into a decider match here between Trap and Reina. I mean, it was all Italian stallion from the start off here, our little Caesar doing so good. And then Trap started to get more and more comfortable. We were talking about it a little bit in the cast. Gets more and more comfortable. And Game 4, it just seemed like his plan went to fruition.
If you compare Game 4 to Game 2, it's like, those are not the two same Protoss players. There's no way. Like, almost everything was perfect and spot on and on the money for Trap in Game 4. And suddenly, Reina is the one where things feel a little bit late. He's out of position a couple of times as well. I mean, after the first two games, I don't think many people out there expected this to happen, but here we are.